Today we are going to take standard 10 maths part 2 chapter number 4 geometry constructions. In that we are going to see construction of similar triangles. We will see example in practice set 4.1. Question number 4 is triangle AMT is similar to triangle AHE. In triangle AMT, AM is 6.3 cm, angle TAM is 50 degree, AT is 5.6 cm, AM upon AH is 7 upon 5. Construct triangle AHE. So we will construct these two similar triangles by using compass box. First of all, in triangle AMT, AM is given 6.3 cm. So draw segment AM having length 6.3 cm. This is given. In these two triangles AMT and AHE, point A is common. It means in one figure both the triangles are included. Next one is angle TAM is given, it is 50 degree. We draw angle A having measure 50 degree. Angle A is 50 degree by using protractor. Draw a ray passing through these 2 points. Next place is given 80 is 5.6 cm. Now take the distance in your compass by using scale. This 5.6 cm and draw an arc from point A. We have A. This is 5.6 cm. Draw an arc from point A. We get this new point. This is our third point of triangle AMT, that is T. Now join segment TM by using scale. This is 5.6 cm. And this is construction of triangle AMT. Now we have to construct similar triangle to triangle AMT, that is triangle AHE. Now ratio is given, AM upon AH is 7 upon 5. Bigger number is 7. So divide segment AM in 7 equal parts by using compass. You can take the convenient distance from point A. First of all, from point A, we have to draw an angle having 30 or 40 degree. You can take convenient measurement. Draw a ray passing through these 2 points. Now divide segment AB in 7 equal parts. Take a convenient distance. You can take 1 cm also. First part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part, 6 and 7. There are 7 parts. Give them names. This is point A. This is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. AM is divided in 7 equal parts. Now AM upon AH is 7 upon 5. Joins segment MA7. We have to join AS to 5. Fifth part of segment AM is A5. So we have to draw congruent angle. Like this, take a convenient distance, small distance in compass. We draw an arc from point A7 like this and put the point of compass on A5. Second part is fifth part. Seventh part and fifth part. Take same distance and then take this small distance in between these two angles. Draw an arc and intersect first arc. We get this new point. Draw a segment passing through A5 and this new point. And we will get congruent angle to angle A7. This is our new point. That is, this is AMT, AH. This is EH point. Similarly, we can draw second congruent angle to angle M. Angle M and EH are congruent. Take a small distance from point M and EH. Take this distance and draw second angle. Second arc will intersect first arc. Draw segment passing through point EH and this new point which is this segment is parallel to PM. That is, this is we get this new point, that is point E. Now this is construction of triangle AMT and then construction of triangle AHE. So you have to draw these two angles are congruent and these two angles are also congruent. This is called construction of similar triangles.